Hello everybody, like I always said, namaskara everyone, andiriki namaskaram, ellargu swagatam and a very warm welcome to Rankplus J English channel. Today I am here. This is my first video for EAPCET in this channel everybody, and I'm hoping that because I said andiriki namaskaram, you all should support me. I am trying to learn Telugu with you all, and I'm trying to bring you the best content for EAPCET in English, of course, because I'm only learning Telugu. I still do not know complete Telugu everybody. Yes. Okay, so 2025, for the year 2025, EAPCET is hovering over our head. The examination is going to come very, very soon, everybody. So, what are the things, what are the books that you need right now? Yes, first of all, you need the Telugu Academy Book 1 and Book 2 question bank. Now, this is how it looks for physics, this is how it looks for chemistry. Go to the shop right now and get the books. This is the time when you can get the book, okay? After some days it will be very, very difficult, and I don't think you will be able to get the books anymore, so please get the books right now. Secondly, what else do you need? You need the textbook for your intermediate first year and second year. Majority of the questions will be coming from here, okay? And this is also Telugu Academy book, everybody. This is for mathematics, this is for physics, this is for chemistry. Get these books also, okay? Next, Arihant publication, you can get the PYQs, a chapter wise with solution. This is how it looks for, again, this is how it looks for mathematics, and this is how it looks for chemistry, everybody. Now, it used to be EMCET, now the name has changed to EAPCET. Yes, so you should get these books wherein it is the updated version. Don't get the EMCET one, get those EAPCET one where you will get the older question as well as the new questions. The new questions are more important because they will give you the proper glance at how the question paper is going to be for this year, okay? All right, must have absolutely important book is Handbook by Arihant, which is for physics, which is for chemistry, and which is for mathematics. Why should you get these books? Because in these books you will get the keynotes, you will get the terms and definitions, you will get the formula, everything you will be getting here. So I think you must get this book. And you can also get the previous year solved papers, okay? And that is applicable, again, you can get it from Disha publications, you can get it from Arihant publication. So wherever you can get it, you can definitely get this, okay? You must get these books, guys. These are very, very important. These are just few books I'm telling you, and I'm not telling you more books. So you just have to get this previous year solved paper. Must have his handbook. Then you must go for the PYQs, chapter wise solutions. Then you must take the textbook for intermediate. I mean, this I'm guessing you should have it if you belong to the IPE, right? And you should get the Telugu Academy question bank. So these are the most important books for you. Get these ones. And we are going to start with the EAPCET, EMCET, EAPCET, TS and AP. Both of these courses very, very soon in this channel. So do not forget to subscribe to our new channel. Do not forget to like this video and share this with your friends as well. So thank you so much. Dhanyavadagalu. I'll be seeing you very, very soon, everybody. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All the very best and see you. Bye.